Howdy everyone, this is a quick channel update because there's some minor changes on the horizon that has all to do with the way I'm going to be creating and delivering the content. So in order to really improve the clarity again on the channel and to make sure we really understand the two types of content that we have, which is number one, the educational style things, which is how to make stock, how to make sauces, the mini series, the deep dive into ingredients, the classification of sauces, the theory, that sort of things, and on the other side, the recipes. I really wanted to make these two types of content slightly different and really fit for purpose. One of the things that I've realized looking at my content recently to try to improve things is that there are two sets of expectation. Of course, when you come for tutorials, you expect lengthy videos, plenty of details, communication, and all the things that you need to learn a new skill. When you watch a recipe, you're here to see how it's made. So you want to click on the video, get on the stove and get on with it to see exactly how things are happening. As of late, I've noticed that some of my recipes videos were getting longer and longer, which is not used to be the case. And the culprit really is that I've been kind of trying to pack too much information into my recipe videos by introducing some technical bits that actually belong to these other categories. So as a result, my recipe videos, a lot of time today, they are a recipe and it's the flow of the recipe, and I suddenly break the flow and start to go into a demonstration mode on how to make a mayonnaise or peel a tomato or how to cut a leeks and stuff like that, which sounds good on paper, but having watched many of these videos, I really thought that it was not really warranted, and it not only breaks the flow, but it also brings you some technical bits that are kind of disconnected. You know, they're just like random technical bits here and there. And I've realized that we could do without this. So the big change I'm announcing here is that I'm going to go back to the drawing board and I'm going to be making my recipe videos the way I used to do them back in the days. Because what I've done is looking at very old videos, and some of the most successful videos that you absolutely loved is that number one, the videos were shorter. Number two, the video and the flow was unbroken and it was all focused on the video. And number three, there was typically no introduction of talks. Hey, we're going to be making a piece of pork or something like this, which at the end of the day, watching the videos, I don't think it really adds anything in particular. So what's going to happen moving forward? We're going to have really two types of content on the channel. When you watch the educational stuff, I'm going to try to work on the thumbnails and playlists to differentiate the two sides. But the educational stuff is going to be the lengthy videos, talking heads, communication, plenty of details, demonstration. We're going to take our time and learn a type of skill, okay? So if you're here for that, this is what you can expect. On the recipe side, moving forward, I am not going to do anymore this kind of initial talk and spending time and minutes talking about the recipe, the ingredients, something like that. Instead of that, I'm going to be starting the videos straight on the chopping board on here, okay, with the ingredients, the mise en place, and I'm going to be presenting the recipe, outlining what needs to be done. And after that, we're going to go straight on the stove, on the bench, whatever is needed, and we're going to focus on the task at hand, which is making that recipe. I'm going to give you, of course, all the information you need all along the way, and we're keeping, of course, the degustation. So all what I'm doing here, I'm removing the noise, I'm removing the fluff, I'm removing the unnecessary bits for the recipes, so we have something shorter and more enjoyable to watch. That's really about it. So as I said, I'm going to try to maybe work on some thumbnail styles, maybe so that we can see when you're watching educational video, when you're watching recipes, and perhaps if I can, the playlist, I might divide them with, on the top or the bottom, a section dedicated to all the things that is about learning and technical stuff, and all the stuff that is just relating to making a recipe. But that's it for the update. I'll see you next time. Of course, we're going to be starting an apple cake, actually, with that new format. It's going to be all about action in the kitchen. Let's go.